We got a brand new company here to the channel. It's called Bryant Outfitters, and I've got a lot of different products, and it's a very cool vibe to the company. I'm excited to share that with you guys today. So welcome, my name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. So the owner reached out to me over my email, my business email, and we've been going back and forth. Super nice guy. They're out of Dalton, Georgia. The owner's name is Dwayne. They've been in business as Bryant Hill Outfitters since November 2022. So about 6 months ago, I guess, at this point. But the recipes for these scents have been around since 2016. Now, I didn't get the full story on that. If we would have been like instant messaging, I probably would have got it. But it's kind of hard to go back and forth over email. But once I knew that and started smelling these scents, I'm thinking, yeah, these are not your basic scents. These are ones you're going to want to really pay close attention to. So I'll try to describe those in just a minute. But I've got like all kind of products. They've got all kinds of things to offer here. I got like an ultimate sampler kit in mostly one scent, which is called the Farmhouse Tobacco. All right, and which I'll tell you all about in a minute. But I've got, what do I have here? I have a 2-ounce beard oil. I've got hand sanitizer. I've got a body spray. I've got a balm. I've got beard conditioner. I've got body lotion, body wash, beard wash, and that was the beard oil. Oh, and a handmade soap, which is finishing up in my shower. I've been using this stuff for several weeks now. Really enjoy it. I tried all of these products, but I don't usually use all of these types of products on a regular basis. But what jumped out at me were the scents. I'm going to talk about all the scents. I enjoyed the feel in beard of the oil. Also really enjoyed the feel in beard of this balm I'm going to tell you about in just a minute. And the soap. I've almost used all of it up. So all of that stuff I really enjoy. The price on this stuff normally is $20 for the 2-ounce beard oil. So getting a 2-ounce for $20. Plus I got a discount code for you too, which is Banjo20. So you can save even more. You can get this 2-ounce balm for $20. The soap's only $7. 8-ounce wash for $20. 8-ounce conditioner for $20. Those are for your beard. Candles for $18. Ooh, some of these scents would be extra good in candles. Wax melts, $8. I do have a wax melt. I have not used that. Hand sanitizer is $8. And then they're coming out with more stuff. They're coming out with a women's line. They've got a Father's Day sale going on, which gives you like a combo deal. You can go in and check all of that stuff out. I highly recommend you doing that. All right. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cents or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 cents. All right. So the one I've had the most experience with is the one that I have in the shower, because it's the Farmhouse Tobaccos in most of these scents, except for the balm I have in a different scent. And then I've got these itty bitty sampler things that I almost forgot about. I started to make the video and open up the box and go, oh, I forgot these scents. These little samples, which I'm glad I did, because these are some extra good scents. To me, I get like, you see the picture here, it's kind of like a old-timey, rustic kind of thing. There's some sophistication to it, a lot of complexity, a little bit of warmth, a little bit of smoothness, a little bit of some sweet stuff here and there. You get some peppery notes on some of these different scents. They do not smell like a company that's only been in business for 6 months. It smells like these things have been around since 2016. But anyway, let me go through these. So the Farmhouse Tobacco is lavender, vanilla, patchouli, cedarwood, tobacco, apricot, and peach. So sounds complex. It doesn't, at least for the Farmhouse Tobacco, is not quite as complex as it sounds for me. It's kind of a nice earthy with tobacco in it, and then kind of a powdery thing. I guess it's the lavender and the vanilla, but it really works well. All of these scents also I would consider kind of safe scents. They're not super loud or super weird. There's a few things in here that might turn, if you're like against patchouli. One of these has some patchouli in it, I think. But other than that, these are pretty safe scents. As far as the scent strength on the beard oil, kind of a medium, maybe just a hair under the medium. Some of the other ones, some of the other scents that I've tried here over the past day or two are a little bit stronger in the beard. as far as lasting, but I could use a little bit more. Wouldn't hurt me. I don't usually like strong scents, but these are good and kind of leave me wanting more, which is a good thing. All right, so the next one I've had the most experience with is what I've got in this balm. So there's no butters yet. So I know you guys love butters. This is a really good balm. It is, it's on the firm side, but it's also, there's no grit to it. It's super smooth, melts down, and man, that's this is a good scent. So the ingredients are beeswax, organic sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, organic virgin coconut oil, organic baobab seed oil, and vitamin E. It actually feels excellent in the beard. It holds it because it's got a little bit of weight to it, but once you melt it down, it almost feels like a butter. You put it in, and then like 20 minutes later, your beard feels super soft. So I think it's doing its job there as far as that goes. But this scent is called Cohutta Sunset. This is a very good scent. This is peach, pear, magnolia, gardenia, tobacco, and musk. I've always wanted in the back of my mind to do a collab or something that's like a tobacco with some peach in it, that kind of idea, a pipe tobacco. This is pretty much what that is. It's got that magnolia and gardenia, which gives it a little more lighter notes, a little more floral to it to keep things going. And it's not overly pear or peach. The peach is not strong in it. You just get a little bit of subtly sweet from the fruit. Once the fruit goes away, the floral takes over and kind of gives you the high and the sweet notes to it. Goes together very well with the tobacco and musk. So that's the kind of scents you get here. They're not cologne scents. They don't smell super fragrancy. They also don't smell like overly herby in your face, like some of that stuff. So a really good mixture on these scents. By the way, I didn't mention the carrier blend on the oil. Remember, it's a 2-ounce oil. It's apricot kernel, coconut, grapeseed, sweet almond, jojoba seed, hemp seed, abyssinian, argan, rosemary leaf, and it works very well for me. Kind of a medium on the oil, maybe just a hair under medium, but it's in the medium ballpark for sure. All right, so those were 2 scents we talked about. There's another one called Kohola Comfort. I don't know how to say that. All right, so these are hard to smell in these little things, so I actually had to open them up and put them on and all that kind of stuff. Let me see which one this one is. It's the yellow one. Let me see if I can give this back to you. So this is the one that's patchouli, sandalwood, musk, lavender, and rose. So you get a little bit of that peppery kind of patchouli, but then you've got the rose and the musk and lavender and the sandalwood smooths it all out. Another really good scent. It's not too dark or peppery, and it's not too floral. It's not too sweet. This one's kind of less sweet than some of the other scents. There's a good aged barrel bourbon scent, which is cedarwood, sandalwood, bourbon, moss, amber, cardamom, and black pepper. You see what I mean with how complex these things are? So that's a really good bourbon scent. We talked about farmhouse tobacco. There is one called Money. Let me see which color that one is. Give me just a second here. Sunset, and which one's blue? Did that one. Green is Money. All right. Green is Money. Makes sense. So this one is mandarin, peach, green apple, clover, white musk, and vanilla. So you do get the clover bit and the peach mixed together with I don't get tons of apple, but you get like the mandarin and peach and clover. Maybe the apple takes over a little bit more once the mandarin, the citrus part goes away. But then you've got the white musk and the vanilla to smooth it out, make it a little more sophisticated and manly. Just can't say enough good things about these scents. I was blown away, especially from a new company I've never heard of. And then the last one here is 1776. This one's the least sweet. It's the most kind of peppery, if you will. It's kind of a gunpowder kind of scent, 1776. But it's Midnight Air Accord, vanilla essence, sheer citron, black pepper, patchouli, winter peonies, which is a flower, gunpowder accord, black musk, and oat moss. So this one's just a little bit more hearty and manly in your face, but it's still not too much for me. I don't like those scents that much, but this one I definitely get the patchouli and the gunpowder and some of that kind of stuff in it. But I know some people really like those gunpowder scents. That's probably my least favorite. I like it. liked all of them. So that's really all I have to really talk about here is how good the scents are. The products work for me. I especially love the soap and the balm, and the scents profiles on all of this stuff is really worth checking out. So as I said, you can use the code BANJO20 to save 20% on that. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully we'll have the owner here down in the comments so he can answer questions. I'll put his contact information. I'm not sure if they're on Instagram or not. If so, I'll put that as well. But check out the website, kind of a basic looking website. Some of the labeling and stuff is a little bit on the basic side, but they've got room to grow. The scents really don't need growing. The products are already on point. So they got the important stuff down pat at this point. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you soon.